Load.
Oh, right. We got the claymore down. Okay, I need to get the detonator to you, and then back down here and in the gate.
I should get down. Chill, bear, chill. Oh yeah. So I need to go back.
I'll come up.
Go back down, or yeah? Because that from this building, detonator wouldn't be close enough, I think, or would it be? I need to change. Nice dodging there. Nice one.
You're sure about that?
Where are you, Ragshoes? Got the detonator.
I'm on the top. I'm on the top.
On the roof of the
Tip, top, yeah.
Hey. Right. So we don't have the car door, but
So when I'm standing here, yeah, it should be good enough.
hopefully, yeah. I mean, if not, then I die and you get to run down and detonate it.
Ah, okay.
So I've put it right by the gate entrance. I'm gonna sneak inside the gate where the water is and aggro him.
Nice.
and then we'll detonate. And,
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
Mm-hmm.
Just let me know when to click my left mouse button. Oh, the bear is chilling. He's not knowing. Oh, now he's running. He's running. Bear's running.
okay,
Bear
that
is
means I've got to
running.
run.
Bear is running up the stairs. He's coming for you. He's coming for you.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's at my building now.
He's after me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right. Okay. This is working. This
Oh
is
yeah,
working.
oh yeah, he's coming. He's going around all the way. Some zombies are aggroed.
Yeah. That's fine. I'm safe. We just
Bear
need to get him
jumped
over to me.
He's coming back. Yeah, oh, the bear's coming. Okay. Oh, he's flying.
Oh god.
Oh, bear is flying. Let's go.
Oh, detonate. Oh, I missed just.
Oh, I'm
So close.
Oh.
That's okay. I can do a camera.